Hey guys, welcome back to B9 Studios. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the black screen in OBS. Before it, click on the red subscribe button and enable the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Let's get started. If I open the OBS, you can see that there is a black screen in the preview window. That is, if you try to capture display or a game, you will get only black screen. It's because I have two processors, that is, a graphic card and a normal processor. If I go to control panel and click on device manager and then click on display adapters, you can see that there is Intel and Nvidia cards. To fix the black screen, right click on the OBS icon, go to Run with Graphic Processor, click on Change Default Graphic Processor. Click on Add, then find OBS and click on Add Selected Program. And then from the second drop down, select any of the processors and click on Apply. Then launch the OBS and you will get the black screen fixed. That's it guys, please like the video and share it to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.